We do some technical analysis. We do some Fibonacci. We do some trend analysis on stocks. So that's what we do here. Again, not the way you trade. You can and will lose money. I use a little Robin Hood to chase the rockets, clearly because I can see them here very, very easily. And then I also use Webull. I do paper trade. So understand that a paper trade due to taxes because of the wash trading rules. Typically, we have in fact, we have about 400 stocks on our watch list here that I go down. And I would tell you about 100 of those tend to pump once a month. And so I don't get to write off the losses, so thus I have to paper trade. So that's how that works. So with that being said, let's get started. We are hitting it hard today. We've had a good day. My options are starting to print. Let's see what the markets are up, grinding hard. Still, all three are grinding up, but they're all three about even. Although the Nasdaq's up 85 today. It looks like we got financials are good, communications are good, cyclicals are good. Actually, financials are not good. They are red. Excuse me, I looked at that wrong. Technology is up, so the growth stock should be up. So we should have some rocket states. So let's see what we got. So spin that wheel, hit the casino. UIHC looks like it wants to run. OSPN is running. That's our first one. Let's jump on OSPN. OSPN, let's go. Let's get it. OSPN, if I can spell it right, I'm typing with one hand. We're going to buy. We're going to go 10 shares. We're not going to do anything out of the ordinary. Let me bring it in here. This is I'm using the 2-minute chart on Webull, just so you know. It looks like we don't have a lot of volume OSPN, and that would be correct. Averages 200,000 shares a day. It's only at 50,000 right now. SKX grinding up 3% and going higher now. Good to see that. That one has not pumped in a while. Bros up again. They're just having a hella since their IPO, just a hella stock. I mean, wow, just boom. OPTT grinding. Let's get through here pretty quickly now. We got TWKS going full on morning wood. TWKS, we're on it. And I like it enough that I'm going to go 50 shares. Hopefully, it does not turn back here. It is clearly clear the tower. It's up 2%. May want to run. Let's see what kind of volume we got. We got 300,000 shares today already traded. So let's see what we do. I'm going to keep an eye on that P&L over on Webull. That's TWKS we just jumped into, by the way. If you're playing at home, again, you can and will lose money. This is not financial advice. So, in fact, this is the opposite of the financial advice. This is, oh, here we go again, RKLY. This thing, RKLY. I want to say we jumped on this on Friday. This sucker will run, but I think that we got on it a little bit late. We see we did not get a good fill on OSPN. We are already down 20 cents with just 10 shares. Didn't get a good fill. We've got Biden delivering remarks on supply chains. I guess he needs to get out of the house. All right, let's keep moving here. TWKS. And on that one now, RKLY. And on that one, it's up 5% already. I think that we've got a little bit left. Oh, ATER wanted to run, but it ran from 145 to 2. It ran up 5%. So ATER, we got I did a little TikTok live this morning. Got asked by ATER again. I told them they're going to know more than me because I know that stock can run. A lot of good grinders. ADTX up 13%. Looking for more. It did do a little bit of a pivot and a pullback. SKYT looks like it wants to run. Let's go with SKYT. We've seen it run before. SKY, if I could spell with one finger. We're going to buy that. I'm not going to go full on that one, although TWKS already given us $2. I've got a green on the 2, got a green candle on the 2-minute, got a green candle on the 1-minute. Looking good on that one. OSPN looks like it might be going the wrong way. only got 10 shares. It wasn't a high conviction bet on that one. So off we go. Let's spin the casino wheel. What was that one? ATER it's in a pullback. If it runs again, we will definitely jump on ATER because I know the whole world will. That's just the way we see it. In fact, when I was asked about ATER in the TikTok live, I had about 3 people asking for it. Got about 2,200 views. Got about 70 new follows. So thank you very much, TikTok. This is YOLO Hour. You now join. We've got a couple on YouTube and on TikTok. We're up to about 9. So we're looking good. That's all I can ask for on TikTok. Moving through here fairly quickly. CGNT wants to run. It just has not cleared the tower yet. Clearing the tower means the intraday high. KDMN will clear the tower. Did clear the tower and did a pullback. Now we will watch that one. That's Cadmon. Still don't know what that's the whole point of YOLO Hour. Don't even know what they do. Literally do not even know. SKYT still directionally bullish. We're going to hang out with that one. I am going to look at the P&L really quickly, seeing if SKYT, come on. RKLY is doing a pullback, just 20 cents. TWKS still in the green. Should I double down here? I think I will actually. I'm going to buy. Although I've already got 50. So not going to double down on TWKS, which is the one we're really rocking on right now. KRBP wants to run. Let's go, KRBP. KRBP. What can it's a biotech. It just had a red candle. It's not good. We're gonna go just 10 there. Did not like the way that looked. The volume is 250 today, 250,000 shares. Not the greatest. The volume has been down the whole week. I don't understand. I need to look that up because typically October is the second best month for stocks. Clearly, we're at October 13th. Probably not seeing that. Maybe not seeing that this year. CEMI is grinding. Nice grind. PNT grinding up 7%. Looking at a lot of grinders here. Is that Duncan? What are we doing? We're going sideways on the S&P. NASDAQ still grinding up, and that's what we have most of is NASDAQ stocks. KDMN is just don't know what it doesn't know what it wants to do yet. Is it going to break out? Clearly, it's clear the tower. Casper, what's up? I don't know if that's. It looks like it's a grinder, up 3%. AEVA is a grinder at 4%. All of these could turn at any instant. They just need a little bit of retail push, if you would. BBG wants to run. It's got to clear the tower. 698. It was turned back. 9 out of 10 times you will see that it will be turned back. Once it hits the intraday high, 9 times out of 10 it will pull back. But many times it does defeat that. But typically it does not. It will pull back there and will hold. What's PNT wants to run? No, PNT is directionally sideways again. Let me get through this. I'm about to make your eyes bleed. I'm going to go so fast. What was that one? What was that? NMTR wants to run but has not cleared the intraday high. We will not jump on that one yet. Just something that we've learned over the years playing the YOLO Hour. This is not. I think this is 101 today. What was that one? KRBP. Oh, I don't know. I'll come back to it. I may have missed one there, but I think I'll come. Casper is what we think it is. It looks like it's just going sideways now. SCYX. I know Anik will be happy with that one. It is now going sideways. Latch. Directionally bullish and grinding up at 5. Nice to see. Next just went positive. NEXT grinding up as well. A lot of grinders here. BBIG, like we said, that's just going to be one we got to watch. Fuzi's doing well today. What else are we seeing? We did LW. LW did about 2.5% today, and then it did the pullback. ORTX. Where's it? Oh, what did we miss? We missed We missed about 0.5% is all. Let's look at the P&L. We are all green. We are up 90 cents. Big 90 cents. That'll buy us about a slice of, no, not even a slice of pizza in New York yet. Got to get to $1 for that. Let's see. TWKS is still moving. It just doesn't have the 250,000 shares. Will move a style, but just Rumble RMBL wants to run. Now this is one. RMBL does not have the volume. We've seen it before. It's head faked us before. I want to see what we've got going on here. TWKS, we were up. It is now turned back. I'm going to close out big. I'm going to just go with 20 shares there now. Or sorry, I'm going to sell 30 shares on the TWKS. It looks like it's just going directly sideways. But we have learned many times on this show, if you've followed us, that these things they'll pivot, they'll pull back because it's going so fast. It's literally going parabolic. It's got to pull back, and that's just the way they go. Pull back to basically digest the parabolic move, and then pushes further up. That's what we look for. RGI wants to run. It needs to clear a little bit more. It's just gone positive, which is good to see because we know that one in the past month has run as well. Most of these, it's so funny. The stocks that are green are, look at this, KRBP. Did it turn on me? It is KR, which is the one we've got now. Why am I've got to fill. RMBL just went off at 750. We're at I've got 50 shares of that. I'm going to take a little bit of profit off of the table and take that profit. I got to have a little bit of profit today. That'll get me started. Sky T still doing its thing. Let's continue to move through here very quickly. Jeff Klein, what's up? Plug is trying. PL, you know what? I'm gonna have PL plug on here. I know it was. Oh yeah, it at some point this one wants to run at 11. Did that deal with Phillips 66. I was on the TikTok this morning explaining that one. Looks like it's going to be a test, but it's going to be a wide-ranging test. Going to put their basically their plugs in, right? It tried. Yeah. So they did a partnership with Phillips 66. So good to see. Look at the grinders though. We've got a lot that could really turn very quickly. SSY looks like it's turned, but it has not cleared the tower. ATER. Boy, there it goes. And we are on this one. ATR will absolutely run. ATER, we know it will run. Ethereum will go 50. Boom, we're on that one. I got TWKS turning over, it looks like. Yes, it has. I'm out of that one. I'll close total out on that one. We're completely out. I'm glad I took profit on RKLY. Going the wrong way. We'll close the rest of that one out. Thank you very much for your contribution today. Rumble on is now. Is it still moving? I don't know. Let's see what it's doing. It looks like, what's my bid in? 37.5. It's at 37.6. Looks. What is this 1 minute chart gonna do? All right, I'm gonna hold on to it. ATER. Here we go. People were asking about it on the TikTok, and there you go. We're on the YOLO rocket ride there. Good grinders. Good grief, the grinders. Rumble, that was the one we just saw. Sky T still doing a little bit of its thing. Hadn't really turned back. It just looks like it's going sideways now. We'll stick with it for a little while longer. Jeff Klein, what are you seeing? What are you seeing out there in the stockosphere, if you would? Sava. I got asked about SAVA yesterday, and it took off today. It looks like stocks must be, yeah. I'm seeing a red. The last is a red candle though. Interesting. Let's see what we got here. PNT still doing its thing. We need to get to the bottom. We haven't got to the bottom. CGNT wants to run hard. Just has not cleared the tower yet. KRBP, we got head faked on that one. We may still be in that one actually, but so it's good. It is pointing north more than south, which is a positive. LTCH latch grinding next has gone positive. It's grinding. A lot of good grinders. GTHX. KALA is just going sideways, but it's up 5.8. Ooh, WP. That's the Chinese stock, I think. Again, don't know that stock very well and not liking the way it looks. AYLA does not have enough volume behind it. Snow grinding up at $326, up 5% today. That's a big move for aircraft carrier. ORTX still headed north. Joanne. Did I just miss one? Which one? We had one that had curved up big time. TWKS. Let's take a look. It looks like it's pulled back. We're still up on Rumble. It's just not going very fast. Sky T grinding. Oh, all right, you're gonna jump out of OSPN. It's the other ESPN. And we got to get out of KRBP as well. Thank you very much for your non-contribution today. That would be KRBP. That rocket lasted about 2 seconds. So, by the way, we had William Shatner heading off to space today. That's kind of ironic, but very, very cool. We had a little Bezos action meeting him down when it landed, when the Blue Origin capsule landed. That was kind of cool. IG looking at the grind, 5% on it. AEI looking to grind. That one may turn up. It's got to clear the tower though. BNTX, man, some good stocks here, boys. Wish, what's up? Let's go with Wish. I did not see the channel. Wish is not turned up. It's got to clear this tower, which is the intraday high. It's got to be pointed up directionally north. It is not doing that. JP, you'll learn SLI grind. Let's look at your SLI. I love SLI. Yes, that's a grind. Now it just turned north. Let's go with it. SLI, nice one. That just turned directionally north. So I don't know that stock as far as a pump, but we will jump in it for sure. Let's see if we get a good fill. It's moving. SLI. By the way, it's going to grind some more, it looks like. But standard lithium, guys, if you're listening on TikTok and you're listening on YouTube, that is my best lithium stock. Again, not financial advice, but for me, it's my best. From what I can tell, it's the best lithium stock on, or at least the best lithium stock that I follow. CNTA, how much volume? I mean, I got to jump on it, right? CNTA doesn't have the volume, but it is got that morning wood. It is directionally. No, I'm not going 50. No. Let's go back down to 10. I can't trust that one. Rumble On's up 3, giving me a little bit of pizza money, a little beer money. SKYT is turned completely around. Let's get out of that one. Thank you, Contessa Pharmaceuticals. Nice. UPH. Let's look. Give me a good one. Up Health. Yes, we go. UPH. Let's go. UPH. I'm liking that one. I'm liking is it clear? Oh, it's gonna clear. Let me just do 10. But I do like that stock. What's up, Jack Wolf? JP, good job on that one too. Let's see if we can make some beer and pizza money here. And let's go. Sky T, get off my balance sheet. Why are you on my P&L? Sorry, P&L. I said balance sheet. Get off my P&L. Up Health. That is a true penny stock. It does have volume and it can move. So let's hope that we get the FOMO behind that one. UPH, good job, JP. 3 watching now. Wow. All right. Let's look at WOW real quick. All right, it's got to clear the tower. It's got to get over 1974. It is directionally parabolic, but typically 8 times out of 10 it'll get turned down when it goes green, and 9 times out of 10 it'll get turned down when it tries to break the intraday high. If it gets through those, then we jump on it. That is how the game is played. All right, we just been doing this for too long. So many grinders that could turn up any time now. Thank you, JP. What's up? Let's go. What was that one? BYSY grinding up 6%. The Bulls are out in force today. Rumble is still grinding. I'm going to stick with it. Ride looks like it wants to run. Lordstown, let's go. RIDE. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Now, I think I'm getting on this with late. I'm going to go 20 shares of this, of Ride, and we'll see if we can't jump on that one. CNTA just completely dogged me out. Up Health got a bad fill is what happened there. And Standard Lithium, we got that's two red candles that are coming down. Rumble, I may take profits here, guys. It looks like it's going sideways. I'll take a little in fact, I'm going to take all profit right now to maintain my profitable status. Contessa, I need a green. Get a good fill on Ride. SLI, this candle right here is going to be I need a green candle here. Up H, what's up? 475. Now we're up almost $5. Lordstown looks to be moving through here now, even faster. Let's make the eyes believe. Whoa, what was that one? Did I see one? It is VRC. I did not see one. It's done the pivot and the pullback. We are now moving down. We still have not gotten to the bottom. We're on Ride. EVC has turned sideways. That looked like it was going to be a rocket. It is now directionally sideways. Still looking. ADIL, watch that one. That sucker could run anytime. FTFT, let's look. Future FinTech, yes. FTF, how much volume we have? We have got volume. FTFT, I'm jumping in. I'm going. You know what? I'm going balls deep on this one. Going 50 because that one looks promising with a killer volume. So let's see if we get a good fill on that one. SLI is back to even. Ride has turned down. We're going to stick with it. 40 cents, I'm down. Contessa is back positive. And let's see if we can get a good fill here from FTFT. It looks like it's really taken off. It's got 712,000 shares traded today. Average volume is 1 million. So there's a lot of people going to be monitoring that when it takes off. I'm going to get in that FOMO. Got to get the FOMO for the parabolic morning wood. That's what we'd like to see, directionally north. Ride is still looking like it's something. What's that one? NMTR wants to run, but has not cleared the tower yet. Atil, good job on the FTFT. Appreciate it, brother. Moving through here fairly quickly. EYEG grinding again, 5%. The guys on channel had that stock for months. Let's see. CGNT again has not cleared the tower yet. We need to get to that intraday high for it to be a rocket. ICEE maybe. Avia. RMO is grinding. Latch is grinding. Archon. You need to figure out what you're going to do, Archon. We've seen you pump before. CYTK, no. Grinders, ABOS is grinding. That's a new one. FGen is grinding. I know a lot of people like FGen. Looks like we missed out on Naked, but it did turn back very bad. Workhorse, what's up? Oh! It's at a pivot point right now. That's a good place to look in here and see. I'm up. Why is Lordstown not doing its thing? Lordstown, come on. I need... All right, so UPH looks like it's going to go positive here. Lordstown, what do I got? 20 on this one. I'm going to pull back on half. Give me 10. So because I think that's going the wrong way. Workhorse could... So what did we miss? We missed 2% here. 2%. We missed out on 2%. But we would not have known, though, because it still had to clear this little intraday. All right, moving. Back to the top we go. Down the stretch we go. Or down the cap table, I like to say. Let's see. Let's flip the script here, and XTNT just it looks like it's directionally north, but just does not have the volume. Needs to be pulled off of our aristocrat list here, if you would. SCYC, excuse me. Archon, what are you gonna do? I know you want to run. Let's look. I'm not seeing a lot of Chinese stocks wanting to run as well. Naked, again, we missed out on that one. We talked about that just a couple seconds ago. Need the water. STEM grinding up 2.5%, going to 3. I bet by session end. Hey, it's nice to see ATOS making a push up. Congratulations on your 1 day. MRIN, we know it can run. Let's go. We know it can run. MRIN, one of our very favorite stocks. A little software. We'll go 50 because it'll push. It will push high. Just don't give me a bad fill. All right, Lordstown on the way down. We're out of Lordstown. Completely out of Lordstown. Got a good feeling. Oh no, that's CNTA. I feel like it's going directly sideways. I'm taking myself out of that one. That'll be $1.20 add. Now we're up at 8. Boom. We should get that profit. Lithium, what are you doing? SLI needs to figure out what it's doing, and UPH needs to figure out what it's doing. Where's my MRIN fill? I need the fill. Atil, you see anything else? We need to who was here yesterday that had about 10 rockets? AEH is about to run. I'm not kidding you. This thing, it's got to clear the tower. But once, look at that rocket. From 1 o'clock to 1:10, it went 6% up. Woo! It wants to go more, though. You just see the momentum. But you can't jump on it until it clears the intraday high, because you just know it's going to get turned back there, and it's going to be a failed fake, or a fake out is what we like to say, or a nice little head fake, as they say in basketball, to get you up off your feet. That was CEI again, just caught my eye. What is, now look at that one, CLSK up 5.5, 5.6 now. Very good grinder. SCYX again. I keep seeing it. It's going to turn. Any one of these stocks could really run. We just got to make sure the volume's behind these now. Moving. Plug testing high. Oh, Jeff Klein's in the house. We're going back to plug again. Let's see what we got. But it's not taking off though, Jeff. It's definitely got the volume, 76 million shares. People love that stock. Now, if it does take off, oh yeah, it's going 5, 6, 7, maybe even do what Cost did yesterday, 25% up in less than like 10 minutes. Crazy. Then we got a stoppage. It was crazy. We got a hot failed again. No, it's not a failure. It's just one we got to watch, because we know it will absolutely run. It just needs to get people behind it, and then we need other people to FOMO in, like us. Let's see. Come on. I still have not gotten to the bottom of the 400 stocks. By the way, I recounted the stocks. 410. I chopped off about 8. Should have chopped off about 18 more, but I hadn't done it yet. Still moving through fairly quickly. If your head's not hurting yet, you're not playing right. Twist looks like it's grinding. 5-6% today. The ARCs are directionally sideways now, up 2%. ARC, by the way, your ARC K, the flagship fund for Kathy Wood, is down 10% on the year now. When it went, I want to say it went up 160% last year. This would be, if it finishes the year like this, would be its worst year ever. Now, it's been out there for about, I want to say 8 to 10 years. It's probably 10 years. It's been out there. Can you imagine getting it on the front end? All right, and that's an ETF that wants to, that workhorse that went up. Oh, did I get a fill on workhorse? All right, we got a fill on MRIN. It was a bad fill. I'm at 7.7. No, I'm at 7. Yeah, I'm at 772. So I'm just barely down. FTFT, it's not printing yet. It's got a wick I don't like to see, and it's got a red candle I don't like to see. I've got to get out of UPH. It was good for a while. We thank you for your service, sir. You lost this. God, I'm down to $2.55. I need a runner here, guys. Looking for that runner. That ever elusive 5% runner plus is what we're looking for here. Directionally north, directionally, nice green candle headed north. I think MRIN just turned back. Fully believe that. Oh, it's got a green candle. What are you gonna do? So we are up $2. We can buy 2 slices of pizza, and that's about it. We might can get a beer at a dive bar. That's about where we're at today. Moving through here fairly quickly now. Again, if your eyes aren't bleeding, you're not playing along correctly. Let's move. Marin, they do not turn back on me now. You've got the volume. Move. Figure out what you want to do and let me know. Give me a ring. Are we getting a turnover now? I'm not going to say it's a sell-off, but it certainly could end up that way. Marin, come on. What are you doing, playa? I got you for 50 shares here. You can't just give me a little bit of love? Let's go. All right. What we got, guys? Are you seeing anything else that I am not seeing up here? Even the ones that I've mentioned that I did not get into, let me know if you're seeing any kind of uptick. SCYX is going to run. It's going to run. Because when was the last time SCYX was up, congratulations on your one. SRGA, nice. RGA, if I could spell with one hand. Don't have this one. All right, this is damn, it's got the volume too. It's got to clear this intraday high, and it didn't do it. It got turned back. Intraday high is 104. It's at 104 now. It's being turned back. Keep an eye on that. And by the way, it isn't in my list. I did not know that. Yeah, it just turned down. It got turned down from the intraday high and did a pivot and a pullback. That happens most of the time. Don't feel bad because it happens to me all the time. So we just need to roll through here. Keep an eye on that P&L so I can continue with my. Marin, God Almighty. Let me flush. It's really downhill. That was my fault too. Son of a B. Do I need to double down on FTFT? It looks like I could run right here. I'm at 220. Marin, get me out of that. SLI, I thought I got out of you. Get off my P&L. And let's start to move here. Let's go. Let's move. Somebody asked me about FUBO on TikTok. It's got a pretty interesting bullish case. ADIL wants to run it something almost 10%. Damn. ADIL is a grinder. It's turned down, but if that had gone up the opposite way, we'd have jumped in on that one for sure. In fact, 100%. Look, ACT wants to run, but it's got to clear the tower first. MTTR is the same way. It's running. It's got to clear the intraday high before we got to jump into it. Still looking. It's good to see Grinders Day. So a lot of you guys, CNI. Let's look. CNI is that's a railway. So that's a grinder for sure. Now it's only up 2%. If it gives you a good, nice candle wick, it's an expensive stock too. It's got the volume as well. CNI is going to be one of the only. I believe that was a buyout. On the CNI. Actually, if it was, CNI was not. Maybe it did the buying out of the KCS. That's a Kansas City Pacific Railroad. Sorry, Kansas City Southern Railroad. That the only railroad that can go that from the U.S. can go into Mexico. So don't know how they ended up with that, but they did. So what else we seeing? Yeah, we looked at CNI. Seeing more sideways movement now. Clearly that this happens. Again, I don't look. You can't fault the sell-offs, right? Your stock gets up 3, 5, 6, 9%, whatever it is, right? You want to take profits because in these choppy markets, you better be taking profits, or you're not really trading, right? And if you leave it 1% or 2% on the table, that's okay, right? Because that trade could have gone the wrong way, and you wouldn't have kept your $900, whatever it is, right? Look at VRAR grinding hard up 9.6%, and could turn into a rocket. I don't know if it's got enough volume though. We'll see. ATNX, nice. Oh no, ATX just fell off a cliff. Yeah, ATNX. If you're in ATNX, it's falling off a cliff. So jump out now. But again, not financial advice. I can't tell you what to do. Just what I would do. GTHX is falling off a cliff as well. You know what I would do. Moving through here fairly quickly now. Making the eyes hurt. Take your glasses off and just feel the vibes, baby. Let's go. Let's find something else. Let me look at the P&L. I am long. FT has now. Oh, what are we doing? I'm up 55 cents is all. I literally, it's like a halftime that I never scored, right? Literally starting from scratch, zero again. JANX, let's go. Give me one. Who's playing here? JP in the house. Oh, it's directly sideways. And this one's got very, very low volume. 11,000 is not going to get us a rocket, buddy. It's just not going to do it, JP. But I like the initiative. I do. What was that one? Oh, it just turned back. What was that one? MTTR. Even something like this. See how that was a rocket, and you could say, "Oh yeah, this one." But it's got to clear this intraday high. I don't care if it's pre-market; it's still got to clear it. That's just what we've seen, right? What do you got? Pull the casino wheel, please. What's up, Jared? Good to see you here. Yeah, we are pulling. We're back at the top, so let's pull that casino wheel. See if we can get some snake eyes. Hit the 21 hard. Looking. We've had some runners that they just hadn't run very far. Atil's got one. GTES. Gates and oh, come on. Nope. Gots to. I'm gonna add that to the list though. What kind of volume we looking at there? We got great volume. It's got to clear 1614 until we jump on it. And I like to say a nice green candle. What am I looking at? Webull, I am up 80 cents again. We're halfway through, and I'm at even with all these grind. You know what? I could jumped on like 5 grinders and been up $15, right? Nope, not in YOLO. That's not how we play, or that's not how I play. You should play it that, or other people could play it that way to actually make a little money, especially on green days like this. That we are not seeing a sell-off yet, although we're watching for it with 20 minutes left in the session. Clearly, that could happen. EYEG just fell off a cliff too, so that's you typically don't see stocks falling off cliffs unless something major just came down, or people haven't had very much success in that stock and it's up 5% in a day. Boom, we're all going to take profits at the same time, right? Could have been a stock guru saying something about it, like take your profits at whatever, 579, take profits there. Boom, you'll see it crater. SCYX still grinding. Good to see. We are seeing some turnover though, which I hate. Like look at Boozy now only up 1.3%. Moving along, grinding. Snow is up. I mean, that's an aircraft carrier too. I want your opinion on AEI when you have a free minute. I will give you that on AEI. Here I'll do it very, very quickly here. AEI. Let me just look at it real quick. First of all, shitty stock, right? Like I like stocks that do this, not stocks that do this. The high short interest is not there yet. It does have a very small float, and the transactions are taking place. Could it squeeze? Probably not. But what it will do is, if you get some retail investors behind it, it will push. The insider ownership is very, very high. So when an insider buys, it's going to move. It's a real estate company too. Those tend to not move in huge green candles. Just letting you know that one. Where would I be long though? You get long at, you ready for this? 344. That's where I get long. That's just me going very, very fast. So, Jared, I hope that helps. ETWO. JP in the house again. That's what I hadn't seen. That's a hell of a grind. Actually, what kind of volume we got? I like that one. And it's only, there it goes too. ETWO, that's a new one on me. Nice. ETWO, jumping on that one. Actually, I think we've seen that one before. I'm going to jump on that one because it's a nice grind. FTT is treating us right. Let me jump on that. Let me add that to the watch list. Thank you very much, JP. Thank you. Jared, I hope that was enough. Again, it's just like, I like stocks that do this, man. I just cannot handle the stocks. Now, you probably know more than me. Like, this is what I tell TikTok all the time. If I see a stock like the AEI, you probably know more than me if it's going to pump or not, right? Because you're probably reading the Reddit boards, whatever message boards, so you're going to know more than me. RKLY wants to run again. Here we go. RKLY is exactly why I have to paper trade, because I would have lost my losses. We're going to see what you're going to do here, playa. Now give me a good fill, and I need a real good fill. ETWO. It's still got all green candles. Give me the fill. Come on, Weeble. You're acting like Robin Hood. Need to get Robin Hood needs to have some paper trading for the people to learn. SLI might be on the warpath again too. Again, I think SLI is the best lithium stock out there. I think so. That's Mercy. What's up? NCNA. We can look at it and see this. It's about to run. Has it cleared the tower? Oh, it did run. So it took off 4%, man. From 235 to 240, it went up 4%. That actually might move again. Is this one that I don't have this one? Let me jump in that one. And it's got the volume too. So all right, it did the pivot and the pullback, but it's not to say it's not going to run again. So let's keep an eye on that one. Mercy for sure. Love when you get on here, Mercy. Mercy can find some stocks as well. Mercy, you've got a little competition today. We got JP, a new JP DGF style. Loving it. He's found quite a few today. He found a really good one. FTFT, UPH we just missed. It just wasn't. I didn't jump on it quick enough. But FTFT we still have that. It's printing. It's just printing slowly. So, and that's okay. Right now I bought myself a slice of pizza. Maybe a slice and a half, if you would. $1.55 up. Was up 4. I need a big runner though. Need a big runner, guys. If you look back at your stocks, if you see them anything running, because we're moving here pretty quickly. All right, here's the TCAT. Now we know it's got to clear. Did it just clear? 774. Let's go. That's clear enough for me. And we've seen it run. It ran. Didn't this one run on Monday? I think it did. I'm gonna jump on it. That was probably not the best jump though. Should probably come off of that one a little bit. RKL, it's still grinding. FTFT looks like it's going sideways. I'm gonna take some profit on FTFT. Thank you very much for your contribution to my slice of pizza today. And TCAT, we are up 1. So it is, damn it, it's pulling back. It hadn't done the pivot, but it's pulled back to the intraday high. Damn it. All right, let's keep it moving. Let me see if I can get a runner here. Anything else, guys? Nothing on the YouTube chat. By the way, please hit the like button. I can't get a super chat until I clear 4,000 hours of content, but mine are all shorts and live and all that stuff. And go figure, I've got a S ton of shorts that get an S ton of views and an S ton of likes. But guess what? That doesn't count towards the 4,000 hours you have to have for YouTube. What a racket that is. And of course they want you to do shorts, but yet they don't want to pay you for them. So please hit the like button for me so we can get some more people over here. We can get some more hours watched and I can get us into a super chat. All right. DPW. Woo! Uncle Milt must have bought some more. That's an inside joke because if you're on the Telegram channel, you know who buys that stock once a week. Uncle Milt. Jack Wolf, what's up, brother? Good to see you here. We are moving through here. Looking. I'm needing a, what was that runner? So our bot needs to go positive, and at that point we could probably jump on it and see if we can really get out there and run. Not sure how far it was down. BKTX wants to run again. It needs to hit the intraday high. Rad is clear. It looks like it's just going to grind. We are 15 minutes out of the session here, and we're up a slice and a half pizza. Let's go. Let me get some. Now I'm talking about the New York pizza. If you came here to Dallas, a slice would still cost you about $2, $2.50, right? But you get that cheap New York pizza. That, you know, it's not. It's a pretty big slice. In fact, the one that I got, it's pretty good. It was actually a pretty good pizza. But it's street vendor. It's what you come to expect. They look at Soli. I got turned down at the intraday high. Does not have the volume we're looking for. Let's see where we are. RKLY directionally sideways. ETWO treating us well. Nice chart there. We're at $4. TCAT. Oh, we got a red candle. Should have closed out earlier. We'll close out that one. That was a 50 share one. It just turned down. Damn it! I'm not gonna get a good. So I'm down. I'm up 2. That might buy me a beer. 2 pizza slices or a beer. That's what I'm up. All right, let's keep it going here. Moving through here. ADIL, look at ADIL, up 9% today, grinding still. Love to see, what was that one? Chicago pizza's the best. You know what? I went to Chicago, didn't have the deep dish there, man. I did not have, been to Chicago many times. Well, maybe I did get pizza there. Would have been 2011. I did get pizza there. It was deep dish, and it was good. I think I got a better piece in New York, but again, not a big sample size, right? And I think it was. I want to say it wasn't a street vendor in Chicago. In fact, I know it was not. So, looking through here, but I don't doubt. I hear a lot of good things. I've got a buddy from Chicago, and he does know the best pizza places for sure. All right. OCGN, we've seen it run. It's cleared. Here we go. OCGN again. Take our shot. It ran yesterday, and let's see if it runs today. We got a taking the 50 shares. Let's see what this next candle does. What's the 1 minute doing? That's red. Damn it. May have missed it. I did. OCGN got a bad fill. I'm up 5 cents now. ETWO, you got to save me, and you're down this second red candle. Let's keep it. Let's keep it. Maybe OCGN can save me here. Maybe it can save me. Get me up in that $10 range, so I get a full pizza and a beer. That's what I'm looking for today. It's called Tavern Style. That's maybe I did. Or I'm gonna just say plug moving again. Let's go. Plug. Yeah, it's just a grinder, man. It just wants to grind. What is it? 33.48. It's cleared the tower. It just needs to give me that In fact, let me look at it just real quick. Plug, PLUG. Let me see the candle. Yeah, the candle's red. Damn it. Space it out a little. RKLY. It's got a green candle. I'm up 55 cents. Come on, people. Let's go. Let's go. Give me. I need a good runner day. We need. What will be the cost today? We are 11 minutes out from the closing bell. I'm still seeing some good grinders. Rumble, thank God we're out of that one. That one turned directionally bullish and is heading almost off a cliff. But what do we got? Palantir, PLTR. Let's go. If I could spell PLTR or type, or both, it's got to clear this tower here. It is turning up though. How far is that? That's 2. So that would just give us a percent, even if but it's got to clear this though. Which, see, it did the same thing. Look, this got turned down because it didn't clear this. There you go. And that's my explanation. That's why I'm sticking. Oh, look at OSPN. Nope. That was the first rocket we had today, and it really kind of fizzled. It was no blue origin for sure. By the way, shout out to Shatner, 90 years old, hitting the, whatever the freaking line is up there in that truly outer space. What's it called? A Walker line or something? RLX. I'm going to look at it on this one so it go faster. RLX. We've seen it. What in the hell did you just show me, Wolf? RLX. I can. Or did I just type it in wrong? Yep, it's a grinder. It's got to have a green candle, and it needs to clear 545. But that one could clear it any. Oh, there's one that may have just cleared. LLNW. Oh, we got a runner. What was it? Dang it. LLNW cleared the tower. It is making its way now. It does not have a huge volume, but it is a long. Oh my God, I'm getting killed now. I'm down. Jump out of all my. Got to get back out of my losses. OCGN went the wrong way, playa. You were decent to me yesterday. And ETWO, I should have taken profits before I took profits. Or I'm sorry, before. Well, it actually might give me a little bit of profit. I should have taken profits about 5 minutes ago. This one, Limelight, it's cleared everything. It's got the big green candle. It's got the volume. It's just not moving though. I don't know why. There's no FOMO into it. I don't think it's a volume thing. I really don't. I'm not sure. Oh, there's a lot of stuff turning over right now. What do we got? No, we got green candles. So we got to see some rockets here. Sophie, SOFI, SOFI. We love the stock. First of all, it's got to get pause, which it just did, and it's got to clear 1928. It's nowhere near that yet. But Sophie was good to us yesterday. What was that one? AUDC wants to run, but it has not cleared the tap. Has it cleared? 35. How much? It doesn't have the. Well, that's one you may take a chance on. 35.52 to 35.60. It does have it. Let me look at it. AUDC. I think there's better stocks out there. I'll take 10. Why not? See what it'll do. All right, what do you got? MNDY? Oh, Mandy. If you came in, it's Monday. Oh, Monday. Oh, it pulled back on us. Did the little pivot and the pullback, but it was a rocket. 245. It went up almost 1% up. It's nice. I don't even have that one. I'll take that one down with me. Thank you very much, Mercy. Appreciate it. Volume needs some work on that one though, but it looks like it's a decent stock. Directionally sideways, not one that I would get into. But what is that one? OSPN, man. I'm not going back to it. I'm not getting the head fake again. It head faked me. It got me up in the air, and then it fouled me and took me backwards. So that's not going to happen. What's the P&L doing just real quick? I'm up 25 cents. AUDC is up 170. Let's see if it runs. I'm not sure if it's really going to run. We'll see here in just a minute. Let's see if I can move down here to close to the bottom before what was that? BNTX. NMG has not cleared the tower, but it is directionally north. GBDC, you like to see it's up because you know Bitcoin's up. And if Bitcoin's up, typically the entire crypto market's up. RBOT, if it can clear and go positive, it'll run. YVR, that is a morning wood going parabolic. I think we're a little late though. I'm going to see if I can jump on it. It's got 3 green candles. Can we get up there? AUDC saving my ass here. We got a good fill at 0. We've got it may do a pivot here. It's definitely done a semi pivot. Is that even a word? Semi pivot. Just wish you could do you could do great. Here, let me show you something on the next rocket that I see. Whoa. That's GBDC again. Thought we had a plus. GBDC is just not going to be. I think we've seen GBDC do one rocket, and that was like when we first started. It literally, Lululemon. Lewis, that is a grinder, sir, and that is a. Oh, it looks like it wants to turn though. That is an aircraft carrier of stock too. It's got. That's a. It's a grinder. It looks like it's going to be directionally sideways, but that's a good. If you're in that stock today, congratulations, man. You made a good. Oh, TWKS wants. Oh nope, turn down on that one as well. If you're in the Lulu from the start, or even if you got it at midday, you're looking good. You have some serious. Task is grinding. FlyW is grinding. GSM is grinding. These are all. I mean. At some point we got. I mean, we're 4 minutes out, guys, from the closing. But what is my P&L doing? I am up $1. Thank you, YVR. Thank you, Limelight. Got to. If I can get a little bit more out of you, would be great. AUDC, I'm closing you out. Thank you for your contribution to my pizza fund. And a little bit of the pizza slice, and then we're gonna move. Come on, got 3 minutes. 3 minutes to move through here and catch. I forget when we caught VRPX. Yeah, VRPX will run. It'll also head fake you. I'm going to put all my eggs in this basket. Here we go. We're going 50. Give me the buy. Give me a fill. YVR, thank you very much for your contribution. I'm sticking with you. You were awesome to work with. LLNW, what are you going to do? And that's what I needed to know. You decided your fate right then, but I appreciate your contribution to the slice and a half. It looks like. Did I get a good fill on BRPX? That's the question. Can I get a good fill on BRPX? Domestic or craft beer? I think you're gonna be disappointed in my answer. I used to be a big beer guy, domestic. Not a big craft beer guy. I actually drink. What am I drinking now? Still like a good. What am I drinking? Let me think of my. I like bourbon. I like that. You know what I'm kind of getting into is a little bit of bourbon and this is going to sound real posh, bourbon in my cappuccino. Now explain that one, Jack. Bourbon in the cappuccino. Now, I'm not talking about a lot. I'm not talking about a full shot. But the bourbon and the Bailey's sometimes in my cappuccino, bam! That hits me. It just hits me different. It really does. Look at CME grinding. Tito's, I am a vodka guy. I was a vodka guy from college. When I wasn't drinking beer in college, I was on the vodka. Tito's for sure, because it's from Texas, right? By the way, Tito, that's his real name. Tito Beverage is his real name. I'm not kidding you. The guy that makes Tito's vodka, his real name is Tito Beverage. Yeah. But the cappuccino thing has just come on during the pandy. Are we closing out yet? I thought NMG ran on us on Monday. La Push, there has been a trend of liquor or beer with coffee. Really? Well, I did not know that. I'm just telling you what I've experienced. I got into the cappuccino scene early this year, and then never really liked them. I put about 3 sugar packets in of the brown sugar. It's phenomenal. And then, but if I go out and it's a classier bar, they'll have the cappuccino. I then put in the bourbon, right? And man, I'm telling you, it really does hit me different. Now, it doesn't knock me on my ass, but it's, you know what? My drink of choice back in the day was Red Bull and Tito's. That was it from about 2010 to about 2018, right? That was probably what I always started. EVC just took off, and I missed it. All right, guys, what do you think I'm up? $3. We got a slice of pizza and a beer. VRPX treated me right. Nice. Still climbing, and Liquid Media is about to come down, so we're going to jump out of that one in after hours. Love the energy today. I'll stick with VRPX for a little while longer, but yeah, tell me your drink of choice. Yeah, the Red Bull. Then I went sugar-free Red Bull and Tito's, and it's a little odd because one jacks you to the tits, and then one basically brings you down, right? So it's really weird, but it always got me up, right? And so that's kind of how I feel the cappuccino does with the bourbon. I don't feel it, but I feel good about it, and plus it's not heavy on the stomach, which is really good too. Like after about 2 or 3 beers now, I'm not waylaid. It's just my stomach's heavy, if you would, especially on the craft beer, right? So, but anyway, that's my it's my drinking scene that I'm rolling out now. So, all right, guys. Well, I had a good day. I hope you guys did. Did anybody profits? La Push, you got profits. Jared, Jack, Lewis, Jeff Klein, Mercy. Any profits today? JP, any profits today? JP helped me out a lot. I'm gonna hit 3 today, but that's better than losing money. I can tell you that. It's what I tell these young traders all the time. Jared Flynn's at 7:30 in the morning. No, I don't do. I can't do coffee and bourbon. In fact, I'll tell you, I don't even drink coffee in the morning. How about that? Don't even drink the coffee in the morning. Can't do it. I can do the iced coffee about 10 a.m. But yeah, coffee's not my thing. It's my thing when I'm not jacked to the tits, right? But anyway, anybody else? Anybody profits today? Tell me somebody beat 4 or 3 or 4 bucks today. Jared, Jack. All right. Well, if not, Jeff, thank you very much. JP, it's always a pleasure. Thank you for jumping on here for the first time. You helped me out a lot today. Really appreciate the vibes you gave. Teal, always a pleasure. You know that. Jared, thank you very much. Always a good convo we always have. Jack, it's good talking to you as well today. Lewis, thank you very much. Mercy, the pleasure is mine. And La Push, thank you very much. And with that, guys, on YouTube, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you very much, guys. Love being on here. I do this for me. I hope you find some type of value in this as well. Respect, Teal. And again, I do it for me, but I do hope you guys find value in it. With that being said, watch your 6. You go hard in the paint. We'll see you next time. Actually, here's the deal tomorrow. Jump into stocktrade.tips, Telegram channel. I may be off to SeaWorld tomorrow. We were going to take the kiddo. Problem is, Kiddo got a little low-grade fever on Monday. We think that we might can get that stopped, so I may not be doing this on Thursday and Friday. So check with me on stocktrade.tips. With that being said, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Thanks. La Push. Good to see you, bro. Thanks.